Before SmartSeam was developed, controlling the dust from a roofing project also meant significant impairment to the sprinkler operation. Underwriters Laboratory developed a safety test standard called UL723S that is used when a ceiling is installed beneath a sprinkler system. The safety test is simple. Compare an impaired sprinkler system to a non-impaired system. 3 separate tests are being shown. One is the control test, of which is unimpaired. One is using SmartSeam, and one is using a traditional installment material, both of which are impairing the sprinklers. The pass-fail on this test is simple. Don't delay the sprinkler operation for more than 33% of the control test. As the heat from the fire builds, the SmartSeam starts opening up and moving away from the sprinklers, while the traditional protection does not show signs of moving away from the heat. The innovation of SmartSeam comes from a technology that, when exposed to heat, allows the panels to open and fall away from the fire. Notice that the control test is finished at 3 minutes 51 seconds. The sprinklers above the SmartSeam activate 40 seconds after the unimpaired control group activates, which is well within the window needed to meet the standards of both UL723S and NFPA 13. SmartSeam is manufactured and sold exclusively by Tuffwrap. An independent laboratory inspects our product 4 times a year to maintain its UL723S designation. We are dedicated to manufacturing a quality product that, when used properly, protects people and property from the ravages of fire. To learn more about how SmartSeam can help you, visit www.tuffwrap.com or give us a call at 1-800-995-4556.